Welcome to Christies Beach, a true gem along South Australia's stunning coastline. This beach is perfect for everyone, whether you're here for relaxation, family fun, or a little adventure. Let me show you what makes Christies Beach so special. The beach. The golden sands stretch as far as the eye can see, meeting the clear blue waters of the Gulf St. Vincent. It's an ideal spot for swimming, sunbathing, or simply enjoying the sound of the waves. Coastal activities. Do you love water sports? Christies Beach offers fantastic opportunities for kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling. The calm waters make it a great choice for beginners and experienced adventurers alike. The Esplanade. Take a leisurely stroll along the Esplanade, where you'll find charming cafes, restaurants, and local shops. It's the perfect place to grab a coffee or a bite while enjoying spectacular ocean views. Sunset views. Don't miss the breathtaking sunsets. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky lights up with hues of orange, pink, and purple. A photographer's dream. Family-friendly fun. Christies Beach is also family-friendly, with nearby parks, picnic spots, and plenty of space for kids to play. It's a great spot for a weekend getaway or a casual day out. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Christies Beach offers a slice of coastal paradise right here in South Australia. Like and subscribe to Aussie Traveller for more incredible destinations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.